Day 67 of building a new mobile game in Unity every day. Today's game is a simple block stacking game. I had the idea of making this about loading ships, but I didn't get that far. Today was a busy day and I started late. I had lots of interruptions too. In the end, I was surprised to see my total work time was only 1 hour. I like this kind of physics game where you have freedom, and also where the controls are not ideal. I added some difficulty by using an orthogonal camera, so there's no perspective. I added tons of post-processing because I wanted it to be like a CCTV camera, you're remotely operating the crane. My big win today was code generation. In the past, I've been doubling my work by creating read-only interfaces to wrap my observables. I didn't want my UI to be able to actually change the data, just view it. If it wants to change, it needs to call a method on the view model. You can write code generators for the Roslyn compiler so you can build your own attributes. I made one called observable property. Here's what the observables look like now. Much nicer with a single source of truth. All names and types are completely consistent. Here's the code it generates. It creates matching public property names and wraps the observable in a read-only interface. Programming languages give you a lot of freedom, but one of the core ways we're able to build large systems is by enforcing rules. Programming languages have existed since the 40s, but it wasn't until the late 50s we got the first if statement, and not until the late 60s we got the first structured loops. Block-structured languages vastly improve programming while simultaneously cutting down possibilities. Dijkstra famously argued in favor of structured programming, Newt argued against. In the end, structured programming won because it made programs easier to understand. Always keep an eye out for opportunities to improve. Anyway, here's today's game.